Hi students, how are you? This is N. Srinivas Reddy, JL Commerce, TSW RJC Athanora. Students, in this video I am going to discuss about the sixth problem. Under this problem we can do all the final accounts what you are learned in the first year, that is the trading account, profit and loss account and balance sheet here. But the slight difference between first year and second year is here we are after preparation of these profit and loss account we can do the profit and loss appropriation account and capital accounts of the partners. Then we are going to prepare the balance sheet of the firm. And one more difference here is we will not take in the profit and loss account, that is the capital, interest on capital of the partners and interest on drawings of the partners. That both will come into the profit and loss appropriation account. Students, now I will read the problem, but I am not explaining. If you have any doubt, read thoroughly in the textbook. It is the sixth problem. So here X and Y are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. Their trial balance as on 31st March 2020 was as under drawings X 12,000, Y 10,000, total 22,000, sundry debtors 45,000, plant and machinery 50,000, furniture and fixtures 10,000, stock, it is opening stock 30,000, cash and bank balance 10,350, purchases 55,000, wages 20,000, salaries 12,000, insurance and taxes 5,850, discount allowed 1,650, bad debts 250, bills receivables 10,000, carriage on sales 1,800, carriage on purchases 400, sales returns 1,200. In the credit side, capital of X 60,000 and capital of Y 40,000, total both of is 1 lakh. Sundry creditors 45,000, bills payable 10,000, purchase returns 1,000, sales on the total here is 1,19,500. In the both sides of the total in the trial balance here is 2,75,500. Next, some adjustments is there that are you are required to prepare trading and profit and loss account, profit and loss appropriation account for the year ended 31st March 2020 and balance sheet as on the date after considering the following: closing stock, here the closing stock is 48,000 and they are asking to calculate interest on capital is 6,000 and X is allowed to salary as 600 per month. It means 6 into 600 into 12 is equal to 7,200 for the year. Depreciate machinery at 5%, depreciate furniture is 8%, provide bad debts 5% on debtors, transfer of general reserve is 5,000. So it is a problem. According to it we can prepare the first of all trading and profit and loss account, then we are going to prepare profit and loss appropriation account, and next is capital accounts of the partners, next is the balance sheet of the firm. So here is, first of all, here is the particulars. Rupees total, rupees particulars, rupees total, rupees is a debit, it is a credit. So now we are going to, on the credit side, first it is trading profit and loss account. Here the by sales is 1,19,500 less returns here is 1,200. If you are deducted from it 1,18,300 it will be posted in the credit side of the trading account. By closing stock, here is 48,000. So in the case of debit side, to opening stock, already we are mentioned at there, that is 30,000. Next is to purchases, here is 55,000 less returns, here is 1,000, it means 54,000. Next is wages, here is 20,000. Next one, carriage on purchases, is 400. Next is, so total is over. Next we are totaling the both sides. Here the credit side is more than the debit side, that is 1,66,300. 1,66,300. Difference is 61,900. It is the gross profit. So next students, this page is not sufficient, that's why I am going to another page to prepare the profit and loss account, but it is not come under the one account, that's why you don't feel it is not both the separate, it is the same. So next is here it is a profit and loss account. So by gross profit, here the gross profit is 61,900. Next is to depreciation on machinery, here is 2,500. To depreciation on furniture, here the depreciation on furniture is 800. Next is provision for bad debts, to provision for bad debts, that is 2,250. Next is to, here the salaries is 12,000. Next is to insurance and taxes, here is 5,850. Next to discount allowed, here the discount allowed is 1,650. To bad debts, here the bad debts is 250. Students, here I am taking the bad debts and provisions for bad debts is separately. Next is carriage on sales, here is 1,800. This is the I think all are taken here. So here the credit side is more, that is 61,900. So here difference of the both here is 34,800. It is called now we are going to prepare the profit and loss appropriation account. Here the particulars, total rupees, particulars, total rupees. Here the by net profit already we found in the profit and loss account, that is 34,800. Here the interest on capital, because here we are not taking in the profit and loss account here, that's why here we will take it. That is the x is x and y, 3,600, 2,400, that is 6,000. To salary, here the salary of x is 600 into 12, that is 7,200. Here is also we are transferring general reserve to 500, that is all is over. Next we consider all it, 34,800, 34,000. The difference between the both is 16,600. This amount will be distributed between X capital account to Y capital account in the ratio of 3:2. That is 9,960, 6,640. So this is the profit and loss appropriation account. Next we are going to prepare the capital accounts of the partners. So here the title is capital account, particulars x and x rupees, y rupees, particulars x rupees, y rupees. So here the debit and credit. Here the by balance of the partners is 60,000, 40,000. By interest on capital, here is next, that is 3,600 for x, 2,400 for y. Next by salary of x is 7,200. Next their share in the profit and loss appropriation account, here is 9,960, 6,640. So here the drawings here is 12,000, 10,000. So here we are telling the total, that is the x creates a total is 8,760, 49,040, 80,760, 49,040. Difference is 39,040, 68,760 to balance. Now we are going to prepare the balance sheet. It is the liabilities rupees total rupees, assets rupees, total rupees. First in the asset side, cash and bank balance. Here is 10,350. Next is bills receivable. That is 10,000. Next is sundry debtors. Debtors here is 45,000 less provision 2,250, that is 42,750. Next is closing stock. Here the closing stock is 48,000. Next is plant and machinery. Here is 50,000 less depreciation, that is 2,500. So remaining balance is 47,500. Furnitures and fixtures. Furniture and fixtures is 10,000 less depreciation, is 800. That is remaining amount is 9,200. In the liability side, initially bills payable, that is 10,000. Creditors 45,000. Next is capitals. X and Y. Here is the X is 68,760. Y is 39,040. Here the total is 1,07,800. Next is reserve. Here the reserve is 5,000. Total is here the two sides is, that is assets and liabilities. Assets is 1,67,800. Liabilities 1,67,800. So these are the balance sheet for the partnership account, students. In the whatever the forms of the business organization, either the sole proprietorship or the partnership or the companies, all are the same, but some